Valentine's Day lunchbox surprises. Yes, please! Today, we're sharing creative lunchbox ideas that are colorful, exciting, and packed with nutrients. Ready? Let's dive in and make some memories together! Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun. Let's get started! Heart-shaped sandwiches. Use whole grain bread, turkey, and cheese for a protein-rich meal. Pink hummus and veggies. Blend chickpeas with roasted beets for a pink hummus that's iron-rich and packed with plant-based protein. Berry mix and dark chocolate chips. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries paired with dark chocolate give a balance of antioxidants and a little sweetness. All right, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can get this one right. Why is whole grain bread used for heart-shaped sandwiches? A. It provides fiber and energy. B. It tastes sweet. Correct answer is A. It provides fiber and energy. What makes pink hummus pink? A. Beets. B. Strawberries. Correct. Beets add color and iron. Which vitamin do bell peppers provide? A. Vitamin A, B, vitamin C. Correct answer is B, vitamin C. It supports immune function. What is a fun fruit combo for lunch boxes? A. Berries and dark chocolate. B. Fries and ketchup. Correct B. Berries and dark chocolate is a mix of antioxidants and sweetness. Why is Greek yogurt a great dip for fruit? A. It's rich in calcium. B. It makes fruit sour. Correct answer is A. It's rich in calcium. Supports strong bones. Which nut-free spread can be used instead of peanut butter? A. Almond butter. B. Sunflower seed butter. Correct answer is B. Sunflower seed butter. Why are apple slices a great side dish? A. They have fiber and natural sweetness. B. They are salty. Think careful. Lock in your answer in the comments below. Correct answer is A. They have fiber and natural sweetness. What is a fun way to pack a sandwich? A. Cutting it into heart shapes. B. Wrapping it in a sock. Correct answer is A. Cutting it into heart shapes. This is the last question. What is a balanced way to build a lunchbox? A. Including protein, fiber, and fruits. B. Packing only candy. Correct answer is A. Including protein, fiber, and fruits. Congratulations! Packing a fun and colorful lunchbox is a great way to make Valentine's Day extra special. Which idea will you try first? Comment below! Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Live Nourish Today. Until next time, stay creative and keep enjoying your favorite foods!